How's it going, everyone? Jay here with LMR.com. In today's video, we're going to be going over the installation for the front lower control arms for all 2011 to 2014 S197 Mustangs. Replacement of the front lower control arms is needed from time to time. This can include anything from normal wear and tear to even damage from a front-end collision. Before installation of the new arm, we would like to point out the heat shield. If your factory control arm was equipped with this one, you would want to transfer this over. If your stock arm is not equipped with this, it is in your best interest to upgrade your control arms at this time. Please check in the description below to find these upgrades. As you can see here, the factory arms do not come with this heat shield, and the bushing is extremely close to the exhaust. Because of the location of the exhaust, this heat over time can cause premature wear and deterioration of the rear bushing. Before we get started with the install, if you need a step-by-step removal guide for the stock control arms, check out the link in the description below. Today in the shop, we're going to be working on my 2012 GT500. This car is nearing 200,000 miles, so it is past due for an inspection of core suspension components and a possible upgrade down the road. Some of the tools you're going to need are going to be a lift or a jack and jack stands, a complete socket set, a 3/8 or 1/2 inch impact, a breaker bar, a dead blow hammer, and some assorted pry bars. We will start with the driver's side control arm on a clean work surface. Take the heat shield and align it to the tabs on the arm. Using either the stock or the new hardware, go ahead and cut the new threads into the control arm. These will be side specific, and they are clearly marked left hand and right hand on the part. Take your time here and make sure these go in straight and fully seat into the arm. The bolts will cut their own threads into the tabs. Take a few minutes here to clean off any old thread locker from your factory bolts and apply new blue thread locker before reinstallation. Once this is complete, we can set the new arm into the K-member on our vehicle supported by the lift. Having a friend help pull up on the rotor while you set this in place will help you out. Loosely thread the rear bolts. For the front, it may take a few hits of the dead blow hammer to tap this into the K-member. Once you have everything aligned, move the tie rod again to place the bolt back into the hole. Position the spindle and reinstall the pinch bolt and nut. As we did before in the removal video, you will need to turn your steering wheel left or right to position your tie rod accordingly to gain access to your forward bolt. Since we are working on the driver's side, we turn the wheel to the left to recenter the tie rod. Reinstall the outer tie rod on the spindle and tighten this down to 59 pound-feet. Reinstall the outer tie rod boot and install the clamp. Now you can go back on with both front wheels. To torque your new arms, you will need to have the vehicle either on a drive-on lift or have the weight of the car on the ground to torque all of your hardware. Starting on the forward-facing bolt, tighten this one to 151 pound-feet. Torque the rear bolts to 136 pound-feet and tighten the pinch bolt to 85 pound-feet. Take this time to run the vehicle by a local alignment shop. Since we removed and replaced this many components, it will be in your best interest to go ahead and do this. After you have the alignment done, test drive the vehicle and you are all done. Alright everybody, we hope this video has helped you have a better understanding of how to replace the front lower control arms for your S197 Mustang. Overall, this one should roughly take you about an hour per side to complete, depending on your skill set. If you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Subscribe to our channel if you have not already, and turn on notifications to keep you up to date with anything new we release. As you already know, make sure to keep it here with the real Mustang enthusiasts at LMR.com.